Eating healthily, listening practice.
Eating healthy food is important for your body. You should eat vegetables every day, like carrots and broccoli. Fruit is also good for you, so try to eat apples, bananas, or oranges. Drink a lot of water instead of soda. Eating breakfast in the morning gives you energy for the day. It is better to eat fresh food than fast food. Try to cook at home because home-cooked meals are healthier. Avoid too much sugar because it is bad for your health. A salad with fresh vegetables is a great meal. Also, remember to exercise every day to stay strong and healthy.
Eating a balanced diet is important for your health. You should eat nutritious food like vegetables, fruit, and whole grains. Foods high in protein, such as fish, eggs, and beans, help your body stay strong. It's also good to eat food with fiber, like brown rice and vegetables, to help digestion. Dairy products like milk and yogurt are good for your bones. Try to control your portion size so you don't eat too much. It's best to cut down on sugary drinks and avoid junk food. Instead, choose healthy snacks like nuts or yogurt. Too much processed food is not good for your body, so try to eat homemade meals whenever possible. Drinking water is important, so stay hydrated throughout the day. A good way to eat better is to follow a meal plan and eat in moderation. If possible, choose organic food and try cooking from scratch to make your meals healthier. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your health.
Eating a variety of nutrients is essential for a healthy body. A diet rich in macronutrients like lean protein, healthy fats, and whole grains gives you energy. Don't forget micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals, which help your body function properly. Foods high in antioxidants, like berries and green tea, can protect your cells from damage. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and nuts, are great for brain health. To maintain stable blood sugar levels, avoid refined sugar and choose whole foods instead of highly processed meals. Eating too many empty calories from snacks and sweets can lead to weight gain. Instead, focus on nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Mindful eating can help prevent emotional eating, where people eat due to stress rather than hunger. Many people benefit from meal prepping, as it helps them plan healthier meals. Some follow a plant-based diet, while others try intermittent fasting to control their eating habits. However, it's important to listen to your body and be aware of any food intolerances that might cause discomfort. A diet high in fiber is good for gut health and improves digestion. Finally, drinking enough water is essential for hydration and overall well-being. Choosing sustainable eating habits, such as eating seasonal and locally grown food, is not only good for your health but also for the environment. Small, consistent changes in your diet can have a lasting positive impact.